Hey guys, broken bolts suck, but if you were lucky enough and the bolt broke off at or above grade, we got a quick tip for you. Find a nut that is just slightly bigger than the bolt itself. You can set that guy in place over the bolt. And then we've all done our Baja welding with our hand shields, but since we're here in the shop, we're going to use an actual visor. Start with welding on the bolt, that way you make sure you get penetration there first and then work your way out to the nut. One other tip, don't breathe the fumes that are coming off here. Obviously it's not the easiest thing in the world to clean out the inside of a nut, or if you're in the field, there's just not an option to do that, so just watch the fumes that are coming off the nut from the plating. So let's try it out. Now doing this does two things for you. First, obviously it's giving you a new head to the bolt, but the second thing it's done is welding to it has heated the bolt and the threads up quite a bit. A lot of times just that heating alone will break the rust or break the seal that the threads have that caused the bolt to break in the first place while you're removing it. So that's installed. Now you just get your wrench. You break the guy loose. And that's our tip for the day, how to remove a broken bolt.